Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best filters for a particular photo on Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. If you don't have Lensa app at your device, so first you have to open up App Store or Google Play and then install Lensa app at your device. After that you can open it, and here first off you have to hit that plus sign to select a photo from your photos gallery to add this photo to Lensa app. So you can just check mark a photo and hit on add, and after a short period of time, about 5 seconds, you are able to edit this picture. And right here first I recommend you to pay attention to these 4 presets. They call it magic retouch, and you can in one click improve the quality of your photo. You can try to use any of that presets, and if you want to compare the result with the original photo, you can just hit on reset to undo all the changes, and then you can try to use any of that presets. 99% of the time these 4 packs of filters highly improves the image quality. So once you did that, you can move on to the next step, and among these tools at the bottom toolbar you have to find the filters. Then you can just get into it, and the problem of all the apps where you can upload and edit your photo like Instagram and others, the problem is that all the filters are sorted by default to each users and for all the photos. On Lensa you can in one click find the best filters for that specific photo. All you have to do is just click right here at suggest filter, and after a couple of seconds you can see here the best filters for that image, and then you can tap at that filters to check how it looks like. I like that one, that's really cool. And then in that way, once you find one filter that you like the most, you can hit right here at save to save this picture to your photo gallery. Then you can hop out Lensa, open up photos, and right here at recents you can easily find the picture that you have just saved. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.